Hello everybody, this is Mr. Avila with a video on multiplying polynomials for my Algebra 2 students. We're going to convert this polynomial here from factored form to standard form by multiplying. We're going to begin by multiplying 2 times the first factor only. 2 times 3 and 2 times 4. 2 times 3x is 6x and 2 times 4 is 8. Bring down the other two factors. The rules for multiplying polynomials are multiply every term from one polynomial to all the terms of the other polynomial and then combine like terms. So we're going to start by multiplying these two polynomials together, and then we're going to worry about multiplying the last one. So we're going to multiply here 6x times x, 6x times negative 2. Then we're going to multiply the 8 times x and the 8 times negative 2. 6x times x is 6x squared. 6x times negative 2 is negative 12x. Done with the 6x, now we're moving on to the 8. 8 times 8x is 8x. And 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. Finish multiplying those two polynomials together. Now we have to find any like terms that can be combined. I notice here I have like terms to combine. Negative 12 plus 8. Negative 12 plus 8 is negative 4. Bring down that 16, and done. That was all the work we needed to do just to multiply those two first polynomials, the 6x plus 8 and the x minus 2. Now we need to multiply this to the x plus 1. Same rules. Every term from one polynomial multiplies to every term of the other one, and then we combine like terms. So 6x squared is going to multiply to the x and the 1. 6x squared times x is 6x cubed. 6x squared times 1 is 6x squared. Stays the same. Now we're going to multiply the negative 4 to those two terms over there. Negative 4 multiplied to the x and the positive 1. Negative 4x times x is negative 4x squared. And then negative 4x times 1 is negative 4x. Finally, we're going to now multiply the negative 16 to the x and the negative 16 to the 1. Every term from one polynomial multiplies to every term on the other polynomial. Then we combine like terms. Negative 16 times x is negative 16x. Negative 16 times 1 is negative 16. Finally, finish all with the multiplication. Now we have to worry about combining like terms. And I notice we have like terms here. 6x squared and minus 4x squared. And like terms here, the negative 4x and the negative 16. 6x cubed doesn't have a like term. We bring it down. 6x squared minus 4x squared gives me 2x squared, positive 2x squared. Negative 4 minus 16 is negative 20. And then the negative 16 has no like term. We bring it down. This polynomial is now in standard form. You could find the degree, leading coefficient, and constant term if we wanted to. But we've converted a polynomial that started in factored form, and we converted it to standard form by using multiplication. Thanks everybody. See you in the next video.
Myself, maybe just